Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Naveen. In this video, we will be discussing about intraday stocks to trade tomorrow, that is on 8th October 2021. I have picked 4 stocks to trade tomorrow, 2 stocks to trade on the buy side, and 2 stocks to trade on the sell side. All the 4 stocks have high potential trades, so make sure you are watching this video till the end to understand the logic behind those trades. The first stock I have picked to trade tomorrow is Aditya Birla Fashion. Aditya Birla Fashion, if you check the price action in daily time frame, so this is the resistance level, right? So whenever the stock reaches this level, the price is getting rejected, right? So this was acting as a resistance. In between it has given a fake breakout. So this is the level. So this is the resistance level which is tested multiple times. Currently we got a breakout above that, right? So let me zoom in the chart. So if you observe the price action at this current level, you see the buyers has made a breakout above this resistance level, whereas sellers came into force and they made the price to fall within the channel. So this is past 2 days trading session, right? So on 5th October, buyers made a breakout above the resistance level, whereas on the 6th October, sellers made the price to fall within the channel. Today we got a breakout above this, right? So in tomorrow's trading session, we can trade this on the buy side. Our entry will be at 262. Let me switch to the 15 minutes time frame. So as soon as the stock crosses today's high, which is 260, around 262. So as soon as the stock crosses 262, you can initiate a buy trade. 262 will be our entry price. So this swing point will be our stop loss. Okay, so this swing point will be our stop loss, which comes around 255. So 262 is the entry price, 255 is the stop loss level, and your take profit will be at 275. Okay, the next stock is, so before getting into the next stock, a quick introduction about my channel. So this is the channel. The channel name is Trader Naveen. I'll be posting regular videos on this. So make sure you are subscribing this channel to get the regular updates regarding the stock market. Okay. So let's get to the next stock. The next stock is Apollo Tubes. Apollo Tubes, if you check the price action in daily time frame, the stock was respecting this support level multiple times, right? Basically it was in the upward channel. So this is the support level. So right at the support level we got an hammer candle, which is very good confirmation to trade on the buy side, right? So as you see, we got an hammer candle right at the support level. So we can trade this on the buy side. So let's see where the entry and exit levels will be. Let me switch to the 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, this is 15 minutes time frame chart. So you can initiate a buy trade right at 860 level. So 860.50 will be our entry price. 853 will be our stop loss. Our first take profit will be at 871. If that breaks, we can expect a target till 890, which is this swing point. Okay, so in tomorrow's trading session. Okay, so in case of closing at 890 level, we can hold this for swing trade too. So we can expect a target till the next resistance level. Okay, so as we got the hammer candle right at the support level, we can hold this for the swing trade too, for the target of this resistance level, which is around 998, around 998 zone. So in case of closing around 890, we can hold this for a swing trade too. Okay, the next stock is Grasim Industry. Grasim Industry, if you check the price action in daily time frame, so this is one support level, right? So already I have marked the level, so this is the support level, right? So if you check the price action, so if you check for the chart pattern, so the stock was respecting this resistance level multiple times. So from the resistance level we got an bearishness, right? So for the, with the additional confirmation, we have an inside candle. So in my previous video also I have recommended this to trade on the sell side. So we got an good opportunity and we traded this on the sell side. So tomorrow also there is a good opportunity to trade this on the sell side. So let me switch to the 15 minutes time frame for the enter and exit levels. So in tomorrow's trading session, as soon as the stock crosses this low 1589.80, which is around 1590, we can make it 1590. So as soon as the stock reaches 1590 level, we can trade this on the sell side. Our stop loss will be above 1600 round number level, so which is a psychological level. So we can maintain our stop loss of 1601. Our first take profit will be at 1574. If that breaks, we can expect a target till this swing point 1564. Okay, the next stock is Indiabulls Housing Finance. Indiabulls Housing Finance, if you check the price action in daily time frame, so this is the resistance level which is tested multiple times, right? So right at the resistance, right from the resistance point, we got in shooting star candle, right? Previously in the previous day it was shooting star candle, today we got an inside candle, right? So we can trade this on the sell side. So there is a good opportunity to trade this on the sell side. Right at the resistance we got an shooting star candle, so which is a good confirmation to trade on the sell side. Let me switch to the 15 minutes time frame for the enter and exit levels. So in addition to that, we got an minor support level. So as you see, this level is tested multiple times, right? This level is tested multiple times. So as soon as the stock reaches this level, do wait for the pullback, and with the good candlestick confirmation we can trade this on the sell side. So let me explain with enter and exit levels. So in tomorrow's trading session, if you see a breakdown below this support level, do wait for the pullback around 242. We can trade this on the sell side. So if the price breaks and if you see a pullback around 242, we can trade this on the sell side. Our stop loss will be above this resistance level. So as you see, we got a minor support and resistance point, right? So previously it was acting as a resistance, currently it took the support. So in tomorrow's trading session, if you see a breakdown below this level, do wait for the pullback, and with the good condition confirmation we can trade this on the sell side for the target of 235. Okay, so you are supposed to look for the candlesticks like weak dominating candle, like shooting star, iron, gravestone doji kind of candle. Okay, so those are the 4 stocks which I have picked to trade tomorrow. So again, just a reminder for you people, so the channel name is Trader Naveen. Those who have not yet subscribed my channel, make sure you are subscribing this. Thank you.